and say my prayers. Oh, my pretty pillow. Oh, my dreams. I wonder